These are the tools I use for realistic portraits. Simple tools. But the results you'll see in part 2. With the app Grid Maker for drawing, you can grid any image. If you follow along till the end and watch the clips carefully, you'll be able to draw like a professional artist with ease. Don't rush your learning, practice at least an hour a day and be patient. And if you ever have questions or run into any issues, I'm happy to help. Just leave a comment and I'll reply with love. So come along with me and follow the lessons. I promise you'll shine. All materials are listed in the caption. Don't forget to check it.